We are offering a 2-day course. The day 1 is called Prevention and Management of Dental Implant Complications. Based on the scientific literature research, we enjoyed well over 90% of implant success rate and prognosis. Having said that, on a daily clinical basis, we recognize there are certain cases that we encounter complications and/or failures related to implant dentistry. With this in mind, during this day course, we want to identify the various modes of failures and complications related to implant dentistry. Of course, our goal is to recognize it and to prevent it at all costs. So we want to evaluate patient-mediated factors that causes complications. We want to address treatment planning flaws. We want to address surgical misadventures. We want to also identify technical and/or implant prosthetic complications. And then finally, the maintenance issue. So during this day, we will recognize and evaluate all the treatment etiological factors, the modes of failures, and more importantly, how to prevent and, if indicated, how to manage and restore these cases as required. The second day of the course is called Essential Principles in Implant Overdentures Prosthetics. So during this course, we want to cover consequences of tooth loss as related to final prosthetics. We want to review all the treatment options from removable prosthesis without implant restorations versus with implant restorations to aid in the retention, stability, and support of the overdentures. We want to also cover the different types of attachments, ranging from specific individual attachments of locators and balls versus bars. And then finally, as part of this reconstruction, we want to talk about fixed options such as the teeth in a day or all-on-4 fixed treatment options. We'll evaluate the case selection criteria. We'll also review the diagnostic evaluation form for these types of full mouth reconstructions with implant overdentures and prosthetics.